Hey, welcome back once again to Daily Justice. I'm your host, Dave Erickson. My guest today is Mark Iverson, the family adoption attorney here in Spokane, Washington. He's been practicing for 20 years, and a very interesting topic today, the process for the adoptive parents. What is that?
I often talk to couples that are interested in adopting a baby for a whole bunch of reasons. And what we do is we sit down with them and we give them all their options. So we talk to them about the fact that they could adopt through the foster care system, through the state of Washington or Idaho, that they could go through an agency, or they could come through our office and do an adoption facilitated by an attorney. All of these have different costs and they're all different procedures, but we go through it all with them and try to match for them what works best for their family.
How long would this process take, generally speaking?
It's certainly going to take a longer time if you become licensed through the state of Washington as foster parents, and that process is probably in the 1 to 1.5 year range. If you go through an agency or you go through an attorney facilitated adoption, then there is a matching process where we have birth mothers that have come to us who are interested in placing their baby for adoption, and we have adoptive parents who have portfolios and we present to the birth mother pictures of the adoptive parents and a letter to the birth mother, and the birth mother then selects the adoptive parent and actually meets the adoptive couple. From that point forward, they establish a relationship. It's usually during the pregnancy. And so the process, Dave, from the time they come into my office could be anywhere from 6 months to a year.
So the birth mother has a big part in this process.
Certainly, the birth mother selects the adoptive couple. So they're presented with 5 different couples, and it's amazing to watch because for some reason it always works. I don't really understand it, but the birth mother will say, "This is the family." And then we arrange for a meeting, and then we go from there.
If someone wants to learn more information about how to get involved in this process with your firm, what would they do?
Well, you can call me, and that's 509-462-3678. I also have a toll-free number of 1-800-338-3273, or you can contact me and look at my website at adoptionwa.com.
All right, Mark Iverson, thanks very much for joining us here on Daily Justice.
You bet. Thanks, Dave.